One sunny morning, something very strange happened at Green Valley School. Ring! The school bell rang loudly, just like every day, but this time, after ringing, it spoke. Good morning, students. Time for assembly. And no pushing in the line. Please. Ali stopped in his tracks. Did the bell just talk? He whispered. Sarah's eyes widened. I heard it too. The students gathered in the playground, all whispering and looking at the bell tower. Suddenly, the bell spoke again. Welcome, everyone. Today is going to be a great day if you all behave nicely. The teachers were just as surprised as the students. No one knew what was happening during math class. Just as everyone started getting sleepy, ring, chakokets. Kakokaka, saik sai, chakokao, cho. Wake up, class 5, numbers are fun, the bell said cheerfully. The whole class burst into laughter. Even the teacher couldn't stop smiling. At lunchtime, the bell rang again. Don't forget to share your food. Sharing is caring. Soon, something amazing began to happen. Students started listening more, helping each other, and following rules. Because the bell was always watching and talking. By the end of the day, the principal made an announcement. Well, students, she said, smiling, it seems our bell has taught us something important. Good behavior makes school happier for everyone. As the final bell rang, ring! Great job today, everyone. See you tomorrow. The students cheered, but the next morning, the bell was silent again. No talking, no messages. Ali smiled and said, maybe it doesn't need to talk anymore. We already learned the lesson. And from that day on, Green Valley School became a kinder, happier place, just like the talking bell wanted